Nollywood has yet lost another, not just one, two of their very own. Welcome to our channel. I like to thank everyone that's been tuning in so far and watching our videos. I hope you've been enjoying every content we've been giving you so far. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and drop your comments and opinion in the comment section. Yes, I would love to see your comments. Please kindly drop it, and we'll be moving on today to today's topic. Here we'll be talking about the death of two Nollywood actors. So like I said, Nollywood has lost yet another of their very own, not just one but two. We previously, I think last month, we lost Saint Obi, the legendary actor. Yes, the action movie back in the days, and the love, where he's dating Genevieve Omotola. Well, we all know Saint Obi. We got another report which is actually sad. Then the two Nollywood actors that actually passed away last week is Don Brymo and Afeez Agoro. Afeez Agoro is the tallest man in Nigeria. Now, according to reports and a source, claim that Don Brymo actually lost his life after battling with he was actually sick before he died. Now, for those who did not know Don Brymo, he always act this elder and king part here in Nollywood movie. That's the two major roles he likes to act. And Afeez Agoro is the tallest man in Nigeria. I know a lot of us should at least know him, if not by his name, but we should be familiar with him. He actually lost his life as well. And prior to this, he has come out to seek for assistance with Nigeria, that they should assist him because he was supposed to do hip surgery. And prior to all of this, before the sad news, there was a video of him that circulated online where he was pleading with Nigerians for assistance. But after that video, people didn't really hear much about him. Yeah, it all died down. You know how social media works. The videos come and go, and people didn't really hear much about it. I myself, although I saw the video, but I didn't hear much about him. And unfortunately, he actually did the surgery, and all things seemed fine and good. Not until recently he started experiencing some complications, probably in the part where he did the surgery, but he started experiencing some complications, and due to that process, he actually lost his life. And this is indeed a sad news, because this is like, for this year, we've lost about 5 or 6 Nollywood actors, and we hope it stops here. And we pray that both Don Brymo and Afeez Agoro, may their soul rest in perfect peace, and we pray that heaven will accept them. So thank you for tuning our channel. This is just a short video about the death of the Nollywood actors. I hope you enjoyed today's story, and our condolences once again goes to their family and everyone that is mourning them at this period. Please, like I said, click on the subscription button, like this video. You can share as well, and do not forget to drop your comments at the comment section. It will be appreciated. See you next time, as I am coming up with more and more juicy story. Please click also on the notification button to get notified when I drop more videos. Thank you once again, and do have a wonderful day.